We are Service Plus, heating, cooling, and plumbing.
It's a bad day.
When your furnace stops working.
We fix bad days.
Free furnace in January? That's right. At Service Plus and while supplies last, get a free furnace with the purchase of a new air conditioning system. That's right. The furnace is absolutely free. Give us a call or go online at serviceplusnow.com.
At Service Plus, nobody loves helping you like we do.
Like we do.
Oh,